Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we're going to show you an addition that we did to allow you to configure the color markers based on state on the Image Map widget for all of your devices at once. So let's go. And yeah, as you see, we are in our gas tank monitoring workspace, and now we are going to create a new dashboard, and this one is going to be our floor plan dashboard, and all workspace members will have access to it. And now I'm going to add a widget, and I'm very excited about this new feature. I feel like it's going to be very easy for people to use it. As you see, I'm just uploading a JPEG, and it's very easy. You just select it from your computer, and now you can see the image, and in here you can change the title if you want. And now when you go to the part where it says data, people have talked about this specific thing that you need to select the devices and the field that you wanna display. And in this case, we are going to select the field level, and in the unit we are going to put the cubic meters, and this one is the tank 1. I'm going to copy this level because I'm going to need it afterwards. And now the tricky part about this is that you can actually select the position of your widget, so you can grab it and you can put it wherever you want it. And you used to have an edit appearance. Before that, when you add the position, you can also change the size of the bubble, whatever you want it to be. And we have now this number here so that you can also have consistency. If you want them all to be the same size, now you can select which size you put them all. And we used to have this edit appearance, and the edit appearance would allow you to get a marker color based on state. But today I'm going to show you that we added another part under appearance up here, where you can actually configure the marker color for all of your bubbles at once, because before you needed to do it individually for each device. You can still do it, and you can also overwrite the global configuration under appearance for individual devices using this marker color based on state. But for now, we are going to put the level for all of the devices in here, so that's why we don't need to add it to each individually. So I'm going to select the level, and this is a tank 2, and I'm gonna edit the position. I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to put the size again to 65, and I'm going to put the tank 3 again. So now we can see that we have all of our devices in here. We drag them all and drop them on our image map. And now the nice part is configuring, of course, the appearance of them all. You can see them all here. You can also see them all clustering, so you can also move them around and reposition them. And now we are going to go to appearance, and in appearance you can change different things. You can change the text color, the icon color, the tint color. You can also select a shape of your little bubbles things. I like it circular, but you can also select the square ones, and you can select a zoom level for the whole image. And yeah, now let's go down, and you can also select to show device details on public dashboard. That is useful for when you are sharing your dashboard and you want people to click on the specific devices and see the side dashboard. This will allow them to actually see specific details of the devices. Maybe for private reasons you don't want to enable this, and you also have the option to hide those data, the information that you don't want to show people, that's possible. You can also hide the background and hide the last update. You can use full screen hide, and that's useful for when the image map widget is the only widget in the whole dashboard. And now this new feature is the color markers based on device values, and that is now allowing you to set the color for all markers at once. So in this case, we are going to go up and see that the values are going from 0 to 100. So I'm going to set the colors to show red, yellow, and green. And depending on the space that they are, the color they are going to show. And now I'm going to save it, and I'm going to make my image map bigger. And that's it. As you see, now we have the floor plan of our factory. We also have the little tags on top of it that we configured, and you can click on those devices and see an overview of that specific tank, the level change, and the details on the side dashboard. So this is it. This is the new feature that allows you to color all of the bubbles at once, and it's useful for when you have on top of your floor plan devices that have the same type, that have the same measurements, and now you don't need to configure them one by one. This is going to save you a lot of time, hopefully. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment in the comment section in case that you want to give us feedback. We are very happy to hear you and read you, and stay tuned.